In this lesson, I'll take you around the whare, or house, to learn the different kupu, or words. In Te Reo Māori, we add manga to the end of the words that describe the function of a room. For example, the sitting room is noho manga. Noho, to sit, and manga is room. Sitting room, noho manga. Moi is to sleep, so moi manga are the bedrooms. Moi manga, bedroom. Koko is to bathe, so kaumanga is the bathroom. Kaumanga, bathroom. Kauta is the word for kitchen. It's a bit different as it doesn't use manga at the end. Kauta, kitchen. Moving to the back of the house, shed is heti, another phonetically borrowed word. Toilet is wharepaku. Whare is house, paku is small. When we get to the marae in the next lesson, we'll learn why the toilet is called a wharepaku. So those are the parts of the whare, or house. Anyway, I better get back to the moimanga. It's getting late. Ka kite anō. See you later.